Hello everybody, and welcome back to Molecule View. Last time we talked about acids. Now let's talk about the counteractive bases. Okay, first base is ammonia. First we'll need a nitrogen, 3 hydrogens, 3 bonds. Let us add the bonds. Okay, now let's add the hydrogens. And this is ammonia. Back to the void. Next, hydrazine. First, we need 2 nitrogens, 4 hydrogens, 5 bonds. Now, let's add the bonds. Now, let's add the nitrogen to the other nitrogen. Now, let's add the hydrogen. Okay, so this is hydrazine. Now back to the void with your brother, ammonia. Now let's talk about when we talked about, like, in the first molecule view. Sodium hydroxide. First, we'll need sodium, and then hydrogen, and oxygen, and finally 2 bonds. Okay, now let's add the bonds. Now let's complete it. This is a strong base, which means it's stronger than the other weak bases. Back in the void. Okay, it's focused. Now let's do methylamine. Okay, first we'll need a carbon, a nitrogen, 5 hydrogen, 5 bonds. Now let's add the bonds. Sorry, we actually needed 6 bonds. Now let's add the carbon to the nitrogen. Now let's add the hydrogen. And here is methylamine. Into the void. That was part 2 of the acids and bases. Goodbye.